my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and for today's recipe, I'm making chocolate-covered potato chips and chocolate-covered pretzels. Yes, these chocolate-covered pretzels are my take on the chocolate-covered pretzels that Godiva has, and that's my favorite store at the mall. Unfortunately, I can't make it to the mall, Lenox Mall, because as my granddaughter calls it, Killer Lenox, I will not be going to the mall. Alright, so I'll be making it at home using these ingredients. Alright now, I'll let you get to it. Back to the video. I'll be using Ruffles brand potato chips and rolled gold pretzels. Make sure you pick out the biggest potato chips you can find in the bag. Alright, back to the video. Hello, I hope you're still there, still with me. Thank you for hanging around this long. Please stay to the very end. You'll love what you see. Alright now, back to the video. Please use the parchment paper lined baking sheet or sheet pan when you place the dipped chocolate pieces, because you see how hard I'm having a time here removing it. It would be so much easier. Alright, back to the video. Here I'm creating a parchment paper cone. It's been quite a long time since I had to create one in culinary school and at home, so it's taken me a little time. All right, now back to the video. Well, my angels, my dears, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber, why don't you consider subscribing? If you are a subscriber, don't forget to hit that notification bell to make sure your notifications are turned on, and you'll receive a notification when a new video is uploaded. Okay, why don't you leave a comment down below and come back next time. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for staying to the very end. And as always, as I leave you, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Bye.